Hola, hola, my name is Désirée Iturbide and today I'm going to show you how to draw a Monstera Deliciosa leaf. In the case of the leaves that are folded, we start by making a circle. We make an oval next to it, plus a triangle. We then just unify these shapes by using a line that goes curved like this, and under we have a shape like if at the end you kind of have like a tear shape, curved tear shape. We will here make some lines to help you divide the leaf in areas, and each one of these you have an oval. Now we have the vein going down here, and from this vein we have smaller veins going to each one of the segments that are going to be on the leaf when we finish drawing. And one here, we have the stem coming here, and now we just simply get all the pieces together. Remember, the leaves are quite curvy, so you want to avoid having corners, rough corners here, or hard, I don't know how to say that, but just don't make these. You want to have these kind of corners for the borders. We add the holes that are on each one of these segments. You can make 3 or 2 or 1, they just come at random. And the last part is you kind of sometimes see the other side of the leaf because it's folded, so I'm going to make another circle here to help me draw this part. Sometimes you will see it from here, of course, depending on the view. There you go. If you enjoyed this video, please help me grow this channel by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And there are lots of them to come.